reducing 5 kgs in just 2 minutes? Yeah, that can happen. Today I'm going to teach you the right trick to do that. You're watching Foxy, my name is Pooja, and today we are going to be talking about the most popular technique of makeup, which all of us would like to use in the right way, which is contouring. What exactly is contouring? Contouring is a way through which you can sculpt your face and change the face structure. Yes, that's true. By using the right products and through the right application knowledge, you can actually change the structure of your face. The first shape that I'm going to talk about today is a heart shape. So a heart shape is something which is wider on the forehead and it has a very sharp jawline. In this case, what we can do is that we can contour through the sides of the forehead and the temples and creating a high cheekbone. The next shape that we have is like a round shape. The idea is to match it closer to an oval looking face. So, everything in a round shape is, it just kind of looks round, right? So you'd like to create high cheekbones, you like to create that jawline structure, and you like to create that edgy look towards the forehead and the temples. Then what we have is a square shape. Square shape is as long as it's as wide, right? Again, the idea is always to match it closer to an oval shape. So the idea is that we're going to actually contour the sides of the forehead, taking it to the temple, creating a high cheekbone, and again creating that structure maybe towards a little inside of the jawline, and then kind of creating that darker look here, so making it look like an oval shape. Of course, the most perfect shape, they say, in terms of face structure is the oval shape. For contouring, I think one very important point to keep in mind is to choose the right shade. So the idea is to understand that when you want a contour look, you have to go for about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. So you should keep that in mind when you're doing the contouring thing. So I'm going to be taking you through today my contour routine. So if I look at my face, I have a little long oval. So what I really need to contour here is my little broad forehead. Then I'm going to be coming down to the temple and creating that high cheekbone illusion. And then moving down towards the jawline and taking away this excess double chin that I have. So for contouring, we need to have the right kind of brush and the right kind of contour product. What I'm going to be using today is the ColorBar 2-in-1 Contour and Highlight Powder. So I'm going to be using this shade in brown. This is 001 Neutral. And I'm going to be using an angular brush. This is from Faces Canada. An angular brush to actually create the contour, to actually sculpt my face in that way. So the first place that I'm going to be contouring today is my cheekbones, right? So I'm going to be starting with the center of the ear and taking it down. I don't have to go very down, just creating like this. So can you see that line? This is how it is going to be. And then I'm just going to blend it out. And because I'm going to be contouring the temple of my cheek, so I will be doing it in a C movement. The next part that I'm going to be contouring today is going to be my jawline, and to remove that excessive fat that I can see under my chin. So I'm going to start contouring right from the ear, behind the ear actually, and taking it a little bit over the jawline, but basically taking it under. I'm going to be then contouring my hairline. So just for your double chin, you have to kind of go under and you have to create that. So I'm going to be working through the other half of the face now. So keeping this in mind, this is going to be my cue, the bone under the cheek, and I'm going to be moving out. And I'm going to also be contouring my nose because I don't have a very sharp nose. So I'm going to be basically contouring. So I have like a thin nose from here, but it kind of goes a little broad towards the end of it. So I'm just going to go more harder on the contouring here and keep this a little more softer. So I'm going to be using eyeshadow brush from Faces Canada. The only reason that I'm using this is because it's little narrow and this is a smaller area that we work on. So I'm just going to be dabbing some into it, taking the excess and then creating those lines. So this gives an illusion of a more sharper nose. And then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it out. I'm going to be finishing this look by applying a little blush on the apples of the cheeks. The blush on that I'm using is in the shade 03 from this brand called Kiko, and I'm going to be using the Real Technique blush brush to actually apply this. So it's a trio shade, so I'm going to be sweeping the brush across the 3 shades and applying it on the apple. So I'm going to be dab, 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 dab. So I hope the video today was informative and it's going to give you the confidence to try the art of contouring on your face. For more such videos, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.